We're going to start off by drawing the background. So I'm going to click over here on the stage and backdrops and click the backdrop tab up here. I'm going to draw as a bitmap, so I'm clicking convert to bitmap. It'll make it a bit easier for me to draw. And we're going to start off by getting some pale blue. So I'm just going to click on the blue up here, just adjust these sliders until I get a blue that looks okay for my background color, and click the fill in tool to fill in the background. Now for my ground, what I'm going to do is make a green color, and I'm just going to do that by getting the sliders in the right position like this, going to the rectangle tool and just dragging out my rectangle shape. If it's not in quite the right place, you can always use the arrow keys or the mouse to move it in the correct position. If all else fails, undo. You can always try doing it again. Now I'm going to start drawing my house, and I'm just going to choose white for this because it's just a sort of slice through the house, a cross section of what it would look like, so we can see inside the house. So here's my white, and I'm just going to do a large rectangle for the main part of the house. It's going to be most of the stage is going to be filled up with this, so I'm just going to adjust it a little bit like that and use the cursor keys to get it into place. Need a bit of space so someone can be outside it as well. To do the top of the house, I'm going to choose the line tool, make sure it's in a nice thicker number like maybe 15, and then you can just draw some lines like this to make the slopey part of the roof, and just draw a line across the bottom like that. If it's not quite right, if it all goes wrong, just undo and just try that part again. And then finally I'm going to get the fill tool, make sure it's inside the house and there's no gaps, and you can fill in to get your rough house drawn to start with.